Hello guys, welcome to fixitsamo channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change a capacitor on an AC unit. So we just heard the contactor clicking, but the unit didn't start. So we're going to remove the power and open the panel and see what's going on. And I can already tell, since the capacitor is puffed like this, that it's completely discharged and it's not working. We're going to remove it and take a closer look. That's a 40 plus 5 MFD capacitor. As you see, it's already puffed up. We're going to go ahead and remove the wires. We're going to start by removing the common with 4 pins, the capacitor with 3 pins, and 1 to 2 pins goes to the fan. And this is our new capacitor. The pins are identified. As you see, Herm with 3 pins goes to the capacitor, 1 pin goes to the fan, and 4 pins with letter C goes to common. And always make sure when you place the capacitor that it's tight in its place and it will not move while the unit is working. Now we're gonna put back the power. The unit won't start right away. I have to start it manually with my application. It's already cool today. It's a beautiful day. There you go. The unit started. Everything's working perfectly. And now we're gonna close back the panel and the job is done. At the end of the video, I'm gonna show you how to discharge the capacitor in case it's not discharged. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Alright, so this is our AC unit capacitor. As you see, it's already puffed up. I'm going to show you how to discharge it. Even if it's puffed up like this, don't take a risk. Always discharge it before you touch it. Simply take a screwdriver like this. Make sure you're only touching the rubber side and touch the pins like this. This is how you discharge a capacitor. And when you look at the pins, you have 4 pins. It always goes to common. 1 to 2 pins goes to fan, and 3 pins is the Herm, goes to the capacitor.